loading.
Yeah, Phil. Dad wants you up here. Please.
I said go. Did you not hear me?
He's coming. Okay.
This is my kid that I have in school in 6 weeks, but I just was never here, but I figured. No, I don't want to take credit for it on that. If I did, so I just want you to be here in case anything.
That was Bobby.
Any questions? Yeah.
Do you know how they did yesterday? I don't even really know how they did yesterday. I was still
Who?
checking. This group, like Claire and Catherine and... Did you ever hear?
No, I have no idea. Well, someone went off course, I thought, I heard. I don't know. Sarah was kind of telling me, but I don't really have any idea.